up, guys? It's your girl Kobe, and I'm back with another video.
Mama said there'd be boys like you, tearing my heart in two, doing what you do.
So today, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing a vlog for you guys. What's up, bro? Yeah, so today can't really come up with any video ideas today, so I'm just gonna be giving you guys a vlog, and let's just have some fun today. We're gonna have fun today. Okay, so hey, no, guys, take off her harness. Minnie, no, Minnie, come here. Who did that? Come here. Minnie, what's your problem, Minnie? Minnie. Okay. Hi, Chu. Minnie. Chu. Minnie. Chu. Oh, where's Demi? Demi. Don't come over here. She's weird. Don't come over here, Demi. I didn't say I wanted to be your friend. Wait, where's she at? Hi, Demi. Hi, stinky pie. Hi. Minnie. No. Wait, that's not Minnie. Minnie. Demi. Shoo. Let me know if you like my new purse. I love it so much. I think it is fire. Just let me know in the comments if you like this. So yeah, today we're just gonna be bringing my dog to go get her hair cut and washed and all that. And then I gotta get some hair so I can get my hair done today, because this is not it. But I don't know what else we're doing today. Hopefully we go into like a few stores. Maybe I could vlog that. But yeah, that's gonna be our day today. Something slight, something simple, something, you know. And guys, I started watching this show last night. It's called Riverdale. I know it's kind of an old show, but I got into it last night. It is crazy. I keep trying to tell my brother to get into it, but he does not want to. They're on with her. Alright guys, so now we are taking my dog for a walk. Minnie, you like the grass?
You need to go get a green bag.
Huh?
You need to go get a green bag.
Okay, I'll be right back. Stay there with Minnie. Aw, Minnie. Alright, pick it up. On, brother. Ew. You didn't pick nothing up. Oh, okay. Stop.
Can I get anything on my shoes?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
You got poop on your shoes.
So mommy doesn't want me.
Okay guys, so now we're going into Petco to get Minnie over here all clean. Hopefully it works out. Dog groomers right now. Minnie's about to get all cleaned up. Alright guys, so now we're looking at some fish. Guys, should I adopt a fish?
These are lit.
Ooh. No, I think it's just the tank itself makes it look lit. Yes, I don't think.
I'll be up staring at that all night.
Yeah, especially that. Look. Ooh.
Lipstick.
Okay. Wait, she ran. Hell no, yo, they got you in the tank.
Oh no, what is that? Catch it.
Ma, that's what your face is shaped like.
Are we sure?
A little sea urchin.
Oh, that's fine. No.
Are we sure I got a sticker?
Oh.
What's a little lizard? Are lizards supposed to be in water?
No. Ew, look, it's a frog. Oh my gosh. Look at the frog. Fire. Kid, I'm about to adopt a frog.
Yo, come, can you take your dog?
No, move.
She being so annoying.
Look at the turtles. Guys,
I
used
had a turtle once.
No, you didn't. Guys, I used to have 2 turtles before. Aw. Look at the turtle. They look dead.
Hey, birds.
Oh, they're sleeping.
Look at the birds.
Huh?
Look at the birds.
The birds?
I've always wanted a bird.
Why?
Hi. Oh, come. What is you? Who is you?
Hi.
Hi, Derek. How you doing?
Hey. Aw, it's so cute.
That's the name.
Okay.
Kit Kat.
Man on guinea pigs. Oh wait, that's not a guinea pig. That's a what is this called? What is this called? I forgot. But it's sleeping. Aw.
It's a ferret. A ferret.
Ferret. You said ferret.
Shut up.
I'm dead. Oh, look at the. Ew! Look at the mice.
What the? I think I see it. It's in
Ew,
there.
it's just a rat. A gerbil. Aw. Not really.
Where's the guinea pig?
I don't know. Oh, look at the guinea pig. Oh, look at that one. What is in there?
A male bird.
Look, it's like moving. Oh, maybe that's just the wind or something. Oh, it's right here. Look. Oh, look. Look at the hamster.
Look, something's coming out of there.
Oh, that's what I was saying. I thought it was just like.
Is the air?
He looks like he's stuck.
Pretty sure nothing's coming out of there.
Yeah, it's right there.
Oh, you see it?
Yeah. I don't see it. Okay, look right here. He gotta go. He said, I gotta go.
Mom.
That's funny.
Did you see the ferret?
Alright guys, so it didn't work out for Minnie, unfortunately, but she's gonna, hopefully she'll get her stuff done some other day. Oh my goodness. But now we are going to, where are we going, Mother? Oh my
But
goodness.
we're not near a sea.
Where are we going next, Mother? Huh?
Leave me alone. Stop.
Okay. Where are we going to next? Ma, you got dressed. You look nice.
No, I don't.
Yes,
Leave
you
me alone.
do.
Stop.
Just put you in the vlog.
Stop.
Stop.
Whoever
Are we
tried.
going in? Alright guys, so we're going to get some food now. Come on, Mother.
Minnie coming?
No.
Wait, am I supposed to stay here?
Do you want some of this Jamaican food?
Sure, damn option.
Do you want to come in or not?
I mean, I watch Minnie.
Alright, yes. Just sit here.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we're going to get some.
Get out of my face. Get out of my face with that.
Alright guys, so we are getting some food. Ma, what are you getting? Just let him know. Alright, just let him know. Just let him know. Mother, just let him know. Goat soup. So I want you guys to let me know in the comments which one you like more, pistachios or cashews. I think that's a tough one. Alright guys, so I am trying to look for some hair right now. I don't know which one I'm gonna get. I'm thinking this one. And I'm not sure. Just get 3.
Shit.
Alright guys, so I just ended up getting 2 packs of Ma! Guys, I just ended up getting Ma! Guys, who's playing that black people music? They can't even yeah, cause my mom's my mom's handicapped, guys. But as I can see, I got 2 packs of these. Hopefully that's enough. I'm not gonna cut it or anything, but if anything, I do have another pack of hair at home, so I think we should be good. Alright guys, so this is the food we got.
Make sure
Oxtails and rice and some vegetables. Alright guys, and that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, don't forget to comment down some video suggestions in the comments. Let me know if you like this video. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, _Kobe_Butler, if you do want to see more of me. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
He tryna 69 like Takashi, call him Papi, worth the ASAP, keep me.